Hey, Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja. I'm at a house that we did the crawl space June of 2014. It is now October of 2017. Dry as a bone. Dry as a bone. Where's the humidity reader? Look at that. 44% humidity. The reason why they called me out was they were saying that they got a musty smell coming from the house. Everything's dry. It looks great. We soda blasted it. You can see the soda blasted wood. We even insulated the rim joist. I don't know if you can see that from there. There's our ABS. Even around the boot, we insulated the boot. Anyway, it looks really good. Let's see if there's anything. See the staining? It's hard to get the staining off the soda. So, but wood moisture content is very dry. Let's see. Remember, set it on hardwood. See, 11, 12. Wood moisture content's good. Everything's fantastic. This is one of our old dehus that we used to use behind me. They went out of business. Horizon is the name of that dehu. It was a good dehumidifier. The company is out of business, so you can't get them repaired or nothing, but it's still running. Anyway, now we're using the April airs. And so this is a good sized crawl space. See all those pillars behind me? Look at all those pillars. We had to wrap. This is a huge house. Everything's great. So anyway, I just want to show you this video. 3 years later, everything's going strong. They didn't even do any maintenance on the dehu. They've done nothing. I think what the odor is that the ABS is off. They turned the Lamanco off. Somebody crawled in here probably and turned it off because of whatever reason, saving energy, whatever. And I bet you the soil gases have built up in here, and that's where the smell's coming from. So anyway, I'm gonna take a little bit more look around and see if I see anything, but so far everything looks great.